Welcome to Valeport Water. My name is Nick Smedley, and today I'd like to talk about the Hyperion range of optical sensors. The Hyperion range includes both fluorometers and turbidity sensors. The fluorometers include chlorophyll A and phycocyanin. That's blue-green algae in fresh water. For dye tracing, we have fluorescein, rhodamine and sulfur-rhodamine B. Today, we're going to deploy a turbidity sensor. At the moment, you can see that the river is very clear and has no turbidity to speak of. But there's activity further upstream that may cause turbidity, and we're here to monitor it. The turbidity sensor is a nephelometer. This is plugged into the Envirolog logger system, where we can store the data and later download it for analysis. Once we have the data, we'll download it back at the workshop.
Envirolog comes with a dedicated software package. As you can see, the baud rate is set. Having interfaced the unit, select the correct COM port and press connect. The first thing you'll have to do is configure the Envirolog. So hit the configure button. Here you can set your instrument up, select your observation period, when to start the survey, and select whether you'd like a daily file or a continuous file that could last for days or weeks. Once set, program the Envirolog. Having collected your data, you will need to extract it. So click Extract Data. Select the directory you need, which is named by the date. Select the files you want to download. There may be more than one. Download the selected files. The directory will open automatically. You're looking for the VPT files. These files contain comma-separated data which can be easily uploaded into an Excel file. You can see here the time and day stamp, the primary reading and the standard deviation. Use the standard Excel display tools to analyse the data as required. This whole process is actually easier if you use the Envirolog 4G.
In this setup, I have a Hyperion fluorometer connected to the Envirolog 4G. This uses a mobile telephone network to transmit data back to a website where you can display and analyse the data at a later time. Simply plug it in the same way as an Envirolog, run your antenna to a height, and you're ready to go. We can remotely interface into the instrument and change the observation scenario or ask for special data. We can also run alarms and cause events to happen as a result of those alarms. The fluorometer I have here is fluorescein. We're going to put fluorescein into the river further up. We'll trace it to here, and then we'll trace it further down as it goes down into a drainage system, monitoring it all the way to ensure everything's going correctly into plan.
By the time you get back to the office, the data will be available online. You can see the data example here. The data will have been uploaded on a regular basis, perhaps every 20 minutes, perhaps an hour, 24 hours even. Here we can see a plot of fluorescein and sulfur-rhodamine on the same plot. You can also see windows showing the maximum value within the last 24 hours for each of the two dyes. To download the data, click on the download button you can see here in the top right hand corner. You're then given the option to open directly into Excel. The data is now in Excel and you can manipulate it in exactly the same way as we showed earlier.
The Hyperion range was originally developed by Valeport, our sister company. The housing is titanium, it's ultra deep rated, 6,000 metres, and all the design specifications for marine operations are contained within the instrument. It's rugged, robust, fit for purpose. We're constantly developing new equipment, new sensors, and new ways to work with the data. Please visit the website and keep in touch.